Diaphragmatic breathing exercise. In this, place one hand over your chest and other over your belly. Now, concentrating on your belly hand, breathe in through your nose slowly and gently as much as you can. Then blow out through your mouth, pursing your lip like blowing a candle or a tissue paper. Repeat this exercise for 4 or 5 repetitions. Take a break and repeat the cycle. Thoracic expansion exercise. This exercise concentrates in expanding the chest area or thoracic cage that surrounds your lung. So in this exercise, raise your hands up while breathing in through your nose and exhale through your mouth like pursing your lips while taking your hands back to the neutral position or the starting position. You can raise your hands from the front or from the side or keeping your hand in a short lever. Repeat this cycle for 4 to 5 times. Segmental breathing exercise. This exercise helps to improve your chest area that covers your lung. In this exercise, place both your hands over your upper part of the chest. Now, concentrating on your hand, breathe in and out. In the same way, keeping both your hands at the lower and the side of your chest, breathe in and out. Coordinated breathing exercise. It is also called as resisted breathing exercise. In this exercise, whenever you perform any movement or action with your upper body or your lower body, always breathe in while performing the action and breathe out when you are coming back to the neutral position. When you perform any difficult action or activity, always blow out, and when you are back to the normal position, breathe in. Repeat this exercise for 5 to 6 repetitions and then take a break and repeat the cycle for 2 to 3 times.